Vancouver is a city every mountain biker wants to visit and to ride. It's a really beautiful city with lots of trails. We're lucky that we can live here and ride our bikes every day. And today we are going to talk about a mountain bike from Trek. It's the Trek VLX 7.
Devil inside. Every single one of us, devil inside.
This is Daniel's Trek VLX 7, 2011. It's one of the lightest bikes in Trek's industry. Now let's talk about the suspension. The bike first came stock with a special edition, especially for this bike. It's a completely gold lower leg, and since that fork is kind of broken, so you gotta change it. Now it becomes a Fox 32 Vanilla RL 2013 with 130mm travel, and you got this not really brand new second hand, but it's pretty sick. Now let's shop our Fox Flow RP2 history service. This thing, little body here, has changed. It's brand new, and it got rebound adjustment and compress adjustment. So yeah. Let's move on to the heart of the bike. The frame is Trek VLX 7, obviously, and Fox origin, so it's like mostly gold. And the bike is made out of alpha aluminum, and this special suspension linkage is made out of magnesium, and the rear triangle is made out of aluminum. Now let's move on the cockpit. So the handlebar is bone trigger low riser. They're 700mm wide. We got the 2 brake lever. They're Avid Elixir 3, and we got a RockShox dropper lever here, and we got 2 Shrimp X7 shifter, and these grips are Amazon grips, and they got this FSA ACB headset, hashtag FSA. So now let's move on to drivetrain. So this bike uses a SRAM X7 3x10 system. The cranks are SRAM X-B. It got 10 sprockets here, so it got those strength to climb up hills, those big hills. So it got 3 here, 3 chain here. So it's like the big one is 44.2, medium one is 32.2, and the small one is 32. So now let's talk about the wheel. It's a Bone Trigger Duster. The rubber on it is a Bone Trigger cross country wheel. I have no idea what it is. It's 26 by 2.2.